StashAway Robo-advisor for investment alert review. Watch before using. StashAway is a prominent robo-advisor operating in Asia, offering automated investment service tailored to individual financial goals and risk appetites. Established in 2016, it was gained traction among both novice and seasoned investors for its user-friendly platform and personalized portfolio management. And here are the key features of this platform. StashAway allows users to start investing with any amount, making it accessible to a wide range of investors. Platform offer various portfolios including general investing, thematic portfolios focus on sectors like technology and healthcare, and responsible investing portfolios emphasizing environmental, social, and governance factors. And StashAway simply provide users with a cash management account aiming to offer better returns than traditional savings accounts while maintaining liquidity. And here are the variable parts of choosing this platform for your investment. The platform is designed to be intuitive, catering to both beginners and experienced investors. Investors can start with any amount, lowering the barrier to entry. And also, StashAway offer a wealth of free resources around financial management, aiding users in making informed decisions. And here is the downside. For smaller investment amounts, StashAway fees can be higher compared to some competitors. For instance, the platform charges a 0.8% fee for assets below $25,000, which is higher relatively to peer for lower assets under management. And also, as a relative new platform, it has a shorter performance history compared to traditional investment avenues. And here's the final verdict. StashAway stands out as a versatile robo-advisor, offering a range of investment options tailored to various financial goals and risk tolerance. Its user-friendly platform and absence of minimum investment required make it particularly appealing to beginners. However, potential investors should be mindful of the management fee associated with the smaller investment amount and consider how the platform relatively short track record align with their investment objectives.